Dogs are more social than cats, thriving on companionship and interaction. Cats are more independent than dogs, often preferring solitude. Dogs are the most energetic pest, enjoy outdoor activities on playtime. Cats are the most self-sufficient, requiring less attention and training than dogs. While dogs are often considered more loyal than cats, cats can be the most affectionate in their own cute way. Both can be loving companions, but they sufficient different lifestyles.
Crocodile and shark. Both animals are impressive, but they have very different adaptations that make them unique in their respective habitats. The shark lives fewer years than the crocodile. The shark is more adapted to life in the ocean than the crocodile. The crocodile is less efficient at hunting than the shark. The crocodile's beak is the most powerful among animals. The crocodile is slower than the shark. The crocodile is the longest living, being able to live up to 100 years. The crocodile is the most versatile because it can live in both fresh and salt water.
Cheetahs are generally smaller than leopardos. Cheetahs are the fastest land animal. Leopardos typically weigh more than cheetahs, with the males weighing up to 70 kilos. Cheetahs prefer open grasslands and savannas, while leopards inhabit a wider range of habitats, including forests, grasslands, and deserts. Cheetahs are diurnal hunters, using their speed to chase down prey, while leopards are nocturnal hunters, using their agility and the stealth to stalk their prey.
Lion and tiger. It's very well known that the lion is the king of the jungle, but little is said about the tiger, which I personally like more. Apparently, it is faster, agile, speed, but if we talk about strength, it doesn't compare with the lion. Apart from that, it is well known that in the jungle the lion roars, but the tiger, in my personal opinion, is still an imposing animal and aesthetically it fascinates me too much. In my personal opinion, I like very much the tiger of Bengal, since it has much more striking and aesthetically beautiful coat.
The elephant is bigger than the rhinoceros, both in the height and weight. Elephants are also smarter as they have excellent memories and problem-solving skills, while rhinoceros really more on instinct. However, the rhinoceros is stronger in appearance, with its thick skin and horn making it look more harmonious. In terms of speed, rhinoceros are faster than elephants, capable of running at speeds up to 15 kilometers per hour. Elephants, on the other hand, are slower but are considered friendlier, as they live in social groups and show emotional bonds. Unlike the solitary rhinoceros. Both animals have unquiet characteristics that make them fantastic.